Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we have a 2013 Mercedes GL350 with a 3.0 diesel engine, same one as the Sprinter van I have. And today we're going to replace the diamond chain. The vehicle has only 70,000 miles. Look the condition of the tensioner, just completely spread apart. This is the new tensioner. The owner already replaced the tensioner. In order, he was thinking that that's gonna fix the problem, but it didn't. It's just a temporary. Nothing gonna change. Like it will continue to work out on the max until it will just spread on the parts like this one. But also, starting from 2013, I'm not sure on the GLE, but on the Sprinter van, starting from the end of 2013, they updated the chain and they put the single row chain instead of the double row like on the previous ones. And this one also has the single row chain. So we're gonna use the same bracket and we're gonna do the same on the same method of connecting the new chain to the old one and putting it through the engine. Now we have to disassemble the left engine head cover, take out all the fuel injectors, so we'll have an access to the chain. After we'll replace the chain, we'll put the new tensioner. And of course, I forgot to show you the part numbers. This is the tensioner, and this is the chain. Must have the master link if somebody will want to order the parts. I was ordering them from Autohouse AZ. I thought that's the cheapest prices I was able to find, because exactly the same chain, exactly the same manufacturer, but with a Mercedes sign, and the same with the tensioner, will cost you like 3 times more. I paid for this set almost $149. The Mercedes is gonna cost $390 or something like that. And sure, we're gonna replace the injector bolts, the copper seals, and the 3 rubber seals for the injector backline as well. Guys, remove the intake pipe and see lots of oil in the turbocharger and the intake pipe. I will warn the owner about the possible problems with the turbocharger, because that's one of the most common parts that used to fail, especially on ML and GL and GLE cars. And I had different customers calling me with a different mileage and failing with the turbocharger because of the oil change and extended interval of changing the oil. And problem with the chain, why chain stretched and failed, and the tensioner is the oil change as well. So they are pretty sensitive to the oil change, especially on GL and ML. this is, guys, what I told you about. New tensioner, almost in max, and will be just worn out pretty quick. I just brought camshaft for the Sprinter van. Wanted to show you the difference, what they did, trying to save some steel, or I don't know, even looks more reliable than a single one. This is the extended oil change interval by dealer. Closer to 100,000 miles, many of them are done because of the oil change. Guys, that's what I told you about. That's a brand new tensioner. Customer put here a couple thousand miles ago, and I removed all the oil, and this one is the new tensioner. And as someone mentioned in the comments in the video, in the first video about the chain replacement, that the new one has oil. No, it doesn't. It doesn't have any oil. It's completely empty. And I barely compress it. And it's locked here, and you cannot take the upper portion of the tensioner out. And this is the new tensioner, completely apart, because there are special locking pins over here that holds the head in place. It cannot be removed out of the tensioner. So this one is already done. So whoever will think that replacing a tensioner will fix the problem, it will not fix the problem at all. Now we're going to put the new tensioner in place. And showing you guys the position of the new tensioner. This is how it looks like. Now we're going to clean all the gaskets, making sure all the sealing from here, clean the injector holes, and assemble everything back. first start, and it might not start from the first time even. Hold on, wait for a few seconds and then start again. Wait for a couple of seconds.